It's early autumn in Southern California. The temperate weather and ocean breezes make this region ideal for life. But with frequent wildfires and a deteriorating political climate, creatures here are in a race for survival. An orb weaver spider is creating a new web. Each strand must be expertly placed if the spider hopes to pass his building inspection from the county. Most orb weavers use local contractors, but the spider convinced his wife he could do it himself. He shares this hidden world with a red-humped caterpillar, a praying mantis, and his cousin, Kevin. But after dark, the environment descends into a brutal game of kill or be killed. A brown widow has captured a crane fly. After injecting her venom, all she has to do is wait until the creature's mind is completely immobilized, a technique the spider learned from the US education system. And she's not the only one on the hunt. Mantisicus Deathicus has moved into the neighborhood, and he has HOA approval to evict certain residents. Nature truly is remarkable.